Good morning, a very good morning, students. So let's talk about loose connective tissue. Yesterday's lecture we started with the classification part. If you have watched that video, then you must be aware that we discussed each and every classification of connective tissue, right? And the first part which make the connective tissue proper, that is the loose connective tissue. And I told you that the loose connective tissue, because it is loose, it has one thing, it was very sure, it is having cells as well as fibers. And these cells and fibers, they are arranged, where are they arranged? On the matrix, which you call as the ground substance. Then the question was that how many types of loose connective tissue we have. We have to discuss two types of loose connective tissue. One is the areolar connective tissue we have to discuss, and the another one is the adipose tissue. Now first let's talk in detail about areolar connective tissue. One thing which is clear to us, that the cells, they are loose, so it is loose connective tissue, and it has three different types of cells. First very important cell it has, that is fibroblast. Fibroblasts, they are large cells with long extensions, with long protoplasmic extensions. And the major portion which you need to understand about fibroblast is they secrete two proteins which we discussed yesterday also. They secrete collagen and elastin. Collagen, they are white fibers, and elastin, they are our yellow fibers. Collagen provide very strong strength, and elastin, they provide elasticity. Collagen is a protein, and because these fibers, they appear white in color because of this collagen protein. They are unbranched. These collagen fibers, they are unbranched and they occur in bundles like this. They do not appear as a single, they appear in bundles. And elastin, they provide elasticity. They appear yellow in colors. That is why they are known as yellow fibers. They are branched. The major difference between collagen and elastin is that collagen fibers are unbranched and they occur in bundles, and elastin fibers, they are branched and normally they are single. As you can see that they are branched, but they appear as the single, right? They appear as single bundle. They basically not in the bundles, they appear as the single protein. Next type of cells which are present in the loose connective tissue, that is the macrophages. You know that macrophages, they are large phagocytic cells. Phagocytic means they eat something. So what do they eat? They engulf foreign particles. The third important cells present in loose connective tissue is the mast cells. Mast cells are large and oval shaped. They secrete three main substances: histamine, heparin, and serotonin. Histamine. Whenever we talk about allergic reactions, we talk about histamine. Actually, whenever there is an allergic reaction occurs in a body, the reaction is called allergic reaction. And the drugs which are taken for the allergic reactions, they are known as antihistamine drug. So what is the major substance which is secreted by these mast cells? That is the histamine. Which time? During the allergic reactions. The second important secretion which is done by mast cell, that is the heparin. And we know, every student of mine know that heparin is anticoagulant. If you recall, we studied that anticoagulant, it is present in our blood. Anti, put stress on this word, anticoagulant. Heparin prevent the blood to clot in our body. And third important one is serotonin. Serotonin is just stored in the mast cells and it performs various function. Actually, it does not perform any specific function, it performs many functions. Sometimes it act as a even neurotransmitter also. So these are the three major secretions which are done by the, or I will say substances released by the mast cells: histamine, heparin, and serotonin. One is the secreted in allergic reaction, one is anticoagulant, and this is stored in the mast cells. Now if you have to draw the structure of this loose connective tissue, as you can see with the green color, I have drawn the basic material that is on which cells are placed, and this is the ground tissue or the matrix. On this ground tissue I have drawn these protoplasmic extension, and these cells, they are fibroblast cells. So these are our fibroblast cells. Now there is the presence of fibers, collagen fibers and single fiber, that is your elastin fibers. And the rest two cells, other two cells, they are your mast cell and the macrophages, which are phagocytic in nature. So this is all about our first type of loose connective tissue, which is your areolar connective tissue. It has main three types of cells. First is the fibroblast, then is the macrophages, and third is the mast cells. Mast cells, they secrete three important substances: histamine, which is the allergic reactions they secreted, heparin, anticoagulant, and the serotonin. So these are secreted by mast cells. So in our next quick video, we are going to take our another loose connective tissue, which is known as adipose tissue.